In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Discord not opening on mobile. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, this works on literally any phone you have, whether you're on iPhone, Android, Samsung, anything like that. And it can be really frustrating if your Discord just isn't opening or it's opening and then just instantly crashing. So what you want to do is clear your cache for this. Instead of just uninstalling it and then reinstalling it, you don't have to do all of that. All you want to do is go to your settings application on both Android and iPhone. For iPhone, go to General, and then in your settings on Android, just go to your app section. And over here, I just want to go to my iPhone storage. Of course, just go ahead and find Discord on Android, and then just go ahead and look for Discord in both areas. So I can't see it right now. All I want to do is go ahead and press show all. And then once I see it, I'm going to go ahead and click on it, like right there. And I see two options, offload app and delete app. What I want to do is offload the application, which is going to clear the cache, but it's going to keep my password and everything. Once you offload it, just reinstall it again, and then you should be good to go. And of course, on Android, just go ahead and go to storage once you're on the Discord section. And then you're going to see clear cache on the bottom right, and then you'll be good to go there too. Now, if you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe.